Today, we're making our scrumptious Crispy Tofu Bites Sandwiches, topped with spicy barbecue sauce and southern slaw. This recipe is quick, healthy, and 100% plant-based. We'll get started by making our southern slaw. Combine the red and green cabbages, carrots, and green onions in a large bowl. Season with salt and pepper and let it sit for 5 minutes. In a separate bowl, combine the cider vinegar, olive oil, sugar, and celery seeds. Toss the vinaigrette into the cabbage mixture and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper. Now we're ready to prepare our tofu. We're giving this sandwich a healthy twist by swapping traditional barbecued meat with Nasoya Crispy Tofu Bites, which are crunchy on the outside and meaty and tender on the inside. Heat a sauté pan over medium heat and add olive oil and tofu in a single layer. Cook the tofu on each side until they're golden brown and crisp. Remove it from the pan and sprinkle with barbecue rub on top. Now we're ready to serve. Place the coleslaw on the bun and top it with 5 or 6 pieces of the crispy tofu. Spoon barbecue sauce on the tofu to coat and top it off with the bun. These mouth-watering barbecue sandwiches have the perfect balance of sweet and tangy, while the tofu and crunchy slaw add a refreshing bite to round out the dish. Easy, delicious, healthy, and 100% plant-based.